Okay guys, so we're down now to our last problem. So problem number 7. So our problem is the integral of cosine cube x dx over 1 minus sine x. So kung mapansin natin ulit, so wala tayong direct formula for cosine cube. Yung squared lang naman yung pinakamataas na power dito, di ba? So of course, at second, cosecant lang yung meron. So wala tayong cosine. So kailangan natin ulit mag-manipulate or mag-transform ng ating trigo function. Okay, so anong pwedeng gawin natin? So, itong cosine cube, so pwede nating paghiwalayin to. Okay, so pwedeng gawin natin integral of cosine squared x then cosine x. Diba? Pwede yan. All over 1 minus sine x. So, pinaghiwalayin natin. So, then, this one, kung mapapansin, di ba may identity dito? So, anong identity natin? So, identity niyan is yung sine squared x plus cosine squared x is equals to 1. So, pwede natin i-transpose sa kabila itong sine squared x. So, magiging cosine squared x is equals to 1 minus sine squared x. So, we can replace cosine squared x by 1 minus sine squared x. So, it becomes the integral of 1 minus sine squared x. So, cosine x pa rin to. Dx all over 1 minus sin x. So, what do you notice now? So, transform na natin. So, we replace cosine squared x by its equivalent trigo identity. Okay, so, kung mapansin natin, this one is, ano siya? Sa algebra, difference of two squares, di ba? Naalala natin. So, di ba pwedeng i-factor yan? So, the difference of two squares, so, pwede siya maging 1 plus sin x multiply by 1 minus sin x. So, to check, so i-fold method nyo lang yan. Ito rin lalabas na yan. Ito yan. So, cosine x dx over 1 minus sin x. At kung mapansin natin, similar, cancel out. So, magiging 1 plus sin x cosine x dx. So, we can now what? Distribute, diba? So, using yung basic trigo formulas natin. So, distributing the integral sign in dx, so it becomes cosine x, integral of cosine x dx plus the integral of sin x cosine x dx. So, now, of course, ito may integral na to, diba? So, cosine is sine. Then ito, let you lang yan. So, ano yun natin dito? Sine. Okay. So, sir, bakit sine? Di ba pwedeng cosine? Kasi guys, kung babalikan natin yung original problem, yung dx mo dito, ano yung original function niya? Cosine. So, that's why hindi ka pwedeng mag-yun ng cosine. Okay. Kasi ito yung nakakabito sa dx mo, yung cosine function. That's why, ang yun natin dito is, sa part na to, is sine. Okay. So, dito, what is our integral? So, of course, yung u mo dito, kung magamit tayong substitution, mini substitution, u is equals to x. So, du is dx. So, integral of cosine u du plus integral of, dito, sabi ko nga, ang u natin ay sin x. And du is equals to cosine x dx. Okay, so, u du. Ayan. So, dito, power formula tayo. So, what is the integral of cosine u? Sin u. Plus, dito, diba? Power formula, 1 plus 1. Ayan. Plus c. So, sin u. So, palit na lang natin, which is, ano yung u natin? X. So, sin x plus, so dito, ano yung u? Ano yung u natin? Sin x. So, sin squared x over 2 plus c. And this is our final answer. So, ayan. So, dito guys, so, ang ginawa natin, so, we transform muna natin to, ano natin dito na, equivalent trigo identity. Since sabi ko nga wala tayong function para dito, ayan. So, direct integration formula. So, yun. Cosine squared. So, pinalitan natin ng 1 minus sine squared. Then, applying difference of two squares. So, yan. So, finactor natin. So, 1 plus sine. And cancel out. So, yun. Tuloy-tuloy. Then, we distribute. Then, ayun na. So, madali na siya integrate ngayon. Okay. So, yun. So, that's concludes our trigo function. So, next topic natin, I'll be uploading naman a different kind of trigo function technique naman, which is transformation of trigo integral. So, yun yung may next lecture natin. Okay? So, thank you guys. So, yun ulit. Stand by for next video.